C.K. Muralidharan, freelance sports journalist, welcoming you all to the 7th edition of the Mysore Sports YouTube channel. Here on this day, I welcome Sri R. Nagraj, a tennis coach and a tennis professional who has represented India in the seniors category and also produced many youngsters from his coaching. He is basically from Mysore and he has done a lot of yeoman service to the sport by producing talented tennis players. Mysore, as you know, has produced a lot of tennis players like Prahalad Srinath, Mohit Vijay Kumar, N.P. Raghuveer and others like Neet Devaya and many youngsters who have gone on to represent the state and playing in ITF tournaments. Now we have Nagraj, who works with the Income Tax Department and has recently represented India in the World Seniors Championship at Croatia, and India did well, and he also took part in the plus 55 category in the singles as well as doubles. We welcome him to this show.
Thank you, Murali. Thank you for welcoming me for this interview, and you started a wonderful YouTube channel where we can spread the sports everywhere. Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah. Tell us how you started playing tennis.
It was actually, I used to play ball badminton before, and I was a very good ball badminton player earlier, played for the state and university also. Later something happened and then I have to shift it to tennis. My cousin was a member and a secretary in Mysore Tennis Club, so that's how I started.
What age
tennis.
was this?
I started it at the age of 21, 1984.
Yeah, 21 is usually tennis players start at a very young age.
Yeah, I started very late.
Yeah. How did it go on from there?
Initially there was no coaching for me, no coach was there in Mysore. I used to learn watching good tennis players playing in Mysore Tennis Club in the first court. Next to the first court we had a wonderful wall facility. So I used to do a lot of wall practice, watching the good players playing in the first court. That's how I picked up my game.
Which was your first big tournament, and how did you fare? Do you remember?
Actually, 1989 there was a state ranking tournament in Hospet where we had gone, a whole bunch of Mysoreans gone to play that tournament, and eventually I played a top seed of the tournament, Mr. Shantraj from Bangalore, who was also a state champion for several years. I won against him in the semi-finals, and that was a surprise for most state players in Karnataka. That's where people in Karnataka, especially tennis players, recognize me. A new player has come from Mysuru.
When did you become a state champion or progress further from that?
That is the tournament in the Hospet. I won the championship there in the state ranking. Later started playing the All India ranking tournaments in the men's category. I won the Central India Grass Court Championship singles title in Lucknow.
When did you join Income Tax and how did you get that break?
Actually, in 89, 90, 91 I was top 10 in the country. For my good luck, one Mr. Rinoma, he was additional commissioner in Income Tax Department. He wanted to start a tennis team in Income Tax Department. So he had called for the recruitment orders. Myself and one Mr. Peter Vijay Kumar, we joined together in Bangalore.
How was your representations in the South Zone level for the Income Tax and in the All India level? Tell us about your pursuits and your achievements.
Since 1991, I joined July 1991. Till today, I've been participating in, I played a 3-year civil services tournament and got all the benefits from that. And then continuously I've been playing the Central Civil Services, South Zone and All India also. Till now I have won about 53 gold medals and 7 silver medals till now.
Yeah, that's a great achievement. And when did you start playing your senior tennis?
2005, I went to Thailand in Pattaya to participate in the above 40 tournament, and I reached. That was my first seniors tournament. I reached finals and become a runner-up in the singles. And then,
How was your experience representing the country in 3 or 4 World Cups?
actually, the competition is very high in the seniors also. You need to have top 4 ranking to represent India in the championship.
When did you think of the idea of starting going into coaching parallelly?
Actually, when I started playing tennis, I was very had a tough time to travel, and even the coaching was not that much there in Mysore. Only one Vijendra Sharma was
NIS coach. Yeah.
NIS coach was in
JK
grounds. So not everybody offered to go there. So I started playing well, and then attended few certification course also. I thought, why not give back to the game what I have. At least I can help some children to develop good tennis, and they can also become a good tennis
Which year
players.
did you start your center?
Actually, during summer holidays from 89 to 90, I was doing a summer coaching camps in Mysore Tennis Club. That was how I started that 20 days, 30 days summer camp. Then in Mysore Tennis Club only I started. Before that, I actually had a chance to work with CGK Bhupati in his tennis village.
You have produced a very good number of tennis players who have gone on to represent the country.
Most of them are very interested to develop as a tennis player. So luckily Mysore had a good potential for the tennis players, because we don't have so many other outside attraction for the juniors. They used to play tennis school and back home. Not like any other metro cities. That was one advantage. And I had a good student like Shweta Devraj and Abhay Prakash. They were ranked in juniors, and then they went into college in university with 100% scholarship. Later on, one Abhilasha Vishwanath also got into 100% scholarship and went to states. And best part is Pooja Sri Venkatesh was in the
Fed Cup.
Fed Cup, and she won the gold medal in SAF Games. And then she was junior as she was in the main draw in the Wimbledon 2006. I travelled with her to the Wimbledon.
How was
as a
the
coach.
experience being a coach there and meeting Federer on that occasion during that championship?
I still can't believe I had gone and met Federer. The Wimbledon is like a mecca of tennis, they say, and once in a lifetime you should watch that, see that place. And it was like a meeting world number 1 standing next to me is something which unbelievable. And he's a gem of a person. He spoke with me for 5 minutes, standing next to me. Where are you from? What is the occasion you have come here? He asked me whole details like how is in Indian tennis, and then how was it encouragement for you to have all this. And when I told him like this is how I come here, he wished me and Pooja Sri also.
Your family has always been good support to you in your venture and during your playing days. Tell us something about your family.
Actually, my father and mother, earlier days, they never used to like the sports, being a academician. My father was a principal in JSS institution, and mother was headmistress in Akamadevi school. Later on, my mother started encouraging me, and I got married in 1994. Vimla took over that support, and without her support, I wouldn't have achieved all this. And even my son and daughter helps a lot when I go to the tournament. He takes care of my academy when I'm not there in Mysore.
What is your advice for the youngsters to follow nowadays?
We have a wonderful talent in India and skill which is not there in the other countries. Only thing is we are lacking the fitness level compared to the Europeans and Americans. We need to concentrate more on the fitness part because it is 1:2. In abroad, if they play 1 hour tennis practice, they work 2 hours on the ground for the fitness. So
yeah.
that makes lot of difference. If you see Djokovic, Nadal, Federer and Tsitsipas, Zverev, they are all so fit on the tennis court where they play 4 to 5 hours.
They last
4 to 5 hours easily with the kind of fitness they have. We need to concentrate more on building children with a fitness level going up. That's the only way we have to develop a player in India.
Thank you to everyone who has watched our Mysore Sport YouTube channel 7th edition. We had R. Nagaraj, a tennis player from Mysore who has represented India in the seniors category and also has his own tennis center coaching and bringing out many players from Mysore to represent the country and the state in different levels. Keep watching our channel and supporting us by subscribing us. Thank you.